Hughie.
All Huey does is chew, chew, chew.
All Hughie does is chew, chew, chew.
Whatever are we going to do?
Whatever we're going to do.
He chews up toys. He chews up bones.
He chews up toys. He chews up bones.
He chews up shoes and our cell phones.
He chews up shoes and our cell phones.
He chews his bed. He chews his bowls.
He chews his bed. He chews his bowl.
He chews up toilet paper rolls.
He chews up toilet paper rolls.
He chews our dirty underwear.
He chews up dirty underwear.
Chewy Hughie doesn't care.
Chewy Hughie doesn't care.
He chews the paper and the mail.
He chews up the paper and the mail.
When Mom says no, he wags his tail.
When Mom says no, he wags his tail.
He chews up everything he sees. Couches, pillows, DVDs, tables, drapes, rugs, and doors.
He chews up everything he sees. Couch, pillow, DVDs, table, drapes, rug, and doors.
Nothing's safe from Huey's jaws.
Nothing safe for Hughie's jaws.
Whatever are we going to do?
Whatever we're going
All
to do.
Huey does is chew, chew, chew.
All Hughie does is chew, chew, chew.
Outside, he chews up grass and trees, flowers, flies, and bumblebees.
Outside, he chews up grass and trees, flowers, flies, and bumblebees.
He chews up Granddad's stick and hat.
He chews up Granddad's stick and hat.
He tries to chew up Grandma's cat.
He tries to chew up Grandma's cat.
Mom says, keep an eye on Huey.
Keep an eye on Hughie.
He's in my room, but he's still chewy.
He's in my room, but he's still chewy.
He's found a pack of bubble gum.
He's found a pack of bubblegum.
Huey's chewing it for fun.
Hughie chewing it for fun.
All Huey does is chew, chew, chew.
All Hughie does is chew, chew,
Now
chew.
his jaws are stuck like glue.
Now his jaws are stuck like glue.
Chewy Huey's in big trouble.
Chewy Hughie in big trouble.
He's inside a huge pink bubble.
He's Chewy Hughie in big trouble inside a huge pink bubble.
Huey, you have got to stop.
Chewy, you have got to stop.
Don't chew, Huey. You'll go.
Don't Chewy, Chewy, you go.
Pop!
Pop!
Now Huey doesn't chew, chew, chew.
Now Hughie doesn't chew, chew, chew.
Whatever is he going to do?
Whatever he's going to do.